econometry. So today I'm gonna show you some egg techniques that are poaching technique, scramble technique, and emulsion technique. And also I'm gonna make my own or create my own canopy. Temperature and time are important in cooking eggs because they control how gently the egg sets. Eggs firm up quickly, so using the right heat and not cooking them too long helps keep them soft, smooth, and tasty. But if the temperature is too high or the egg cooks too long, it becomes rubby or dry. In simple words, proper heat and timing helps an egg turn out tender and enjoyable, just the way we like it. The canapé that I am going to make, the available and affordable ingredients that I use are the Vita biscuit, boiled egg, tuna flakes, spring onions, and the mayonnaise I made. My tuna egg crunch canapé offers all the micronutrients the body needs, making it a balanced and nutritious snack. It contains carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Perfect balance for school activities, presentations, and household snacks. Innovative techniques and sustainability impact SDG connection. Using multiple egg techniques, poached, scrambled, and emulsion shows creativity while avoiding food waste. Every part of egg is used. Canned tuna is a shelf-stable, reducing spoilage and supporting SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. Small snack-sized portions help prevent overeating and food waste. Locally sourced ingredients lessen transportation impact, aligning with SDG 13 climate action. Affordable and nutritious, supporting SDG 2 zero hunger by promoting accessible, healthy and food options.